Welcome to your ServiceNow training. Today, we will explore the Build Agent. It allows you to build anywhere. Let's get started. Let's view the navigation pane. Here's the application menu. This is your primary workspace. Check this list of records. Fill in this specific field. Behold the complete dashboard. Let's explore the ServiceNow interface. Click here to expand the modules. And that takes us to our records. Open Incident Management and click All Incidents. Here is your complete incident list. Use the search bar and filters. Click to open any incident record. Fill fields and click Update. Let's master ServiceNow Navigation. Go from application to module. This opens up your list to drill down to a record. Now you have got it. Open the System Administration menu. Here you will find Users and Groups. Next are Roles and Configuration. Finally, access System Settings. Let's look at the application container. The application leads to a module, opening a list of records. Up next, Tables and Records. Let's explore the ServiceNow platform. See how multiple tables now appear? This forms a table-driven data model. It is structured and highly efficient. Let's look at the incident list. Here we have hundreds of records. Let's focus on this specific one. Pay attention to this incident. This is how we track them. Let's look at a ServiceNow record. Each record has multiple fields, like the number and description. These fields hold all the key data. A table holds all your data. Each row is a single record. Fields are the individual cells. Let's look at the incident list. Here you can track all active tickets. Notice that critical items are marked. This helps prioritize your work. Now, give it a try. Let's review the incident form. First, check the incident number. Next, the short description. Verify the caller field. Always set the correct priority. Finally, update the state. A list shows multiple records. A form shows one record. It is that simple. Now for users and roles. Let's see how ServiceNow groups users. Individual users become the service desk. Together, they manage incoming incidents. And that's incident management. Let's see how ServiceNow roles work. One user connects to multiple roles, such as ITIL, admin, and approver. Each grants specific platform access. The update sets Let's look at controlled deployment. Update sets move from development, they go through test environments, and finally reach production. First, we make our configuration change. It's captured in an update set. Now, we transfer it to test. Perfect, the change is validated. Let's assign the ITSM role. Now you can access incident management. Let's pull data from these sources. An import set cleans and organizes it. Now it flows seamlessly into ServiceNow. Fast, accurate, and fully automated. Let's migrate this employee data. Watch hundreds of rows move automatically. It flows seamlessly into ServiceNow. Migration successfully completed. Employee data enters the Import Set table. This staging table holds data temporarily, before mapping to the final ServiceNow table. Let's import some data. The names and emails move. Now we map the fields. It works perfectly. Let's use update sets for configuration. And import sets are used for data. Let's compare UI and data policies. UI policies work on the client side in the form. Data policies run on the server, applying rules to all data. Both ensure data integrity. Watch how this field changes. It looks optional right now. Now it is mandatory. See the red asterisk? That is a UI policy. Let's see how data enters ServiceNow. First, we have direct manual entry through a form. Finally, APIs offer fast, automated validation. Data enters through these three paths. They all converge for policy validation. Valid data passes, while invalid data is rejected, keeping your system clean and secure. Let's explore ServiceNow Access. First, the system validates read access. Next, it checks if you can create. Rules also govern who can write. Finally, delete rights are checked. ServiceNow security starts at the table level. Another ACLs protect each record. Fields have their own ACL rules too. Specific sensitive fields can be locked down. Ready a parchik tuchen sensualate texisant. Click. Now we check the rules. The request passes through the ACL. Perfect. Access is granted. ServiceNow keeps your data secure. Developers get full access. Marketers receive limited access. This is a secure application. Let's begin our journey. We start with navigation. Here is the application. And that leads to the module. Let's click the incident module. Here is our list. Select a record. Here is the form. Highlight the fields. Applications, applications, modules, modules, records, records, users, 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 roles. Let's build a solid foundation. First, we have update and import sets, then data and UI policies. Together, they form the complete foundation. Let's explore the data model. Tables are the foundation. They hold individual records. Fields define the data. Extensions allow tables. Watch our next video to learn more.